Debugging objects can sometimes be tricky, especially when you're switching between programming languages. In this video, we'll show you how to print an object in the simplest way for debugging purposes in 4 popular programming languages: Golang, PHP, Node.js, and Python. Whether you're working on the backend or developing in a scripting language, we've got you covered. In Go, printing an object can be done using the fmt package. Here's how you can do it with a simple struct. Explanation: using %+v ensures that Go prints the struct fields along with their values for easy debugging. In PHP, we can use the built-in print_r function to print objects or arrays. Explanation: the print_r function prints human-readable information about the object. It's simple and great for debugging purposes. In Node.js, you can print objects easily using console.log, but to print them in a readable way with all properties, including nested objects, use console.dir with some options. This will print the object in a basic format, but if you want to get more details and inspect nested objects, use the following. In Python, printing objects is very simple. You can use the built-in print function. However, for more complex or custom objects, you might want to use the representing method to customize how the object is printed. This will print the following. Alternatively, for complex structures or pretty printing, you can use the pprint module. And that's it. We've covered how to print objects for debugging in Node.js, Python, PHP, and Go. Each language has its own simple methods, but with the tips in this video, you'll be able to inspect your objects easily while debugging. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our video on UUIDs and how to choose the right one for your project.